So here's the letter
D?
And here's the letter D. The D makes the sound. What can we name that has the
D starts. What starts with D, Maribel? D is for
Dolphin.
dolphin. Good job.
Now, this is good.
Okay.
Come on. Now we can find them. This letter P. The P makes the P sound. What can we name that has the P sound? B. B.
P is for
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. Good job.
B. And today we have the letter F. The F makes the sound. What can we name that has the sound?
F is for
Fox.
fox. Good job.
Here's that big smile.
Are you picking this up, Steven? Yeah.
And now we have another D.